Wolf Paving Raceway, Racer of the Week.
My name's Josh, and I've been racing at Badger Kart Club for probably 15 years now.
You and the 111 car were having quite a battle there for a while.
Oh yeah. I always have a good battle with Tristan. He's always very fast out here, and we always race nice and clean, and it's always a lot of fun.
You want to thank anybody special, or?
Oh, well, my dad, of course. He's the crew chief, main mechanic, my biggest fan. My fiance, Kayla, she's usually out here. Today she was a little busy, but normally she's out here supporting me also. My sister also helps out quite a bit, and Franklin Motorsports.
Tell us about your cart a little bit.
So I have a Merlin LM30. It has a few races on it now. It's been around the block a few times. This year I actually just kind of started my own little team. It's kind of like an offshoot of the Franklin and Merlin team. I have a couple of drivers that are doing quite well this year, and I guess I would just like to give them a little shout out. I have Lucas Smolik, Cameron Cass, and Nicholas Terlecki.
You and your dad, you guys make a pretty good team. You guys have been at it for a while, and you guys just keep getting better and better.
Well, we try. We definitely have our quarrels at times, but more often than not, it's always a good relationship, a good working partnership as well. And we definitely enjoy ourselves while we're here.
Yeah, that karting, it can be quite the cool family deal.
100%, totally agree with you there.